Kofi walked into the boardroom in Abidjan, fully prepared. The proposal was perfect, the numbers were solid. He opened his mouth to greet the room and said, Bonjour. The Francophone executive smiled politely, but something shifted. He had already lost in the room, and he didn't even know it. The executive nodded. One replied warmly in French. Kofi smiled and immediately switched to English, quietly hoping nobody noticed the gap. But they did. Not because Kofi was unprepared, not because his proposal was weak, but because in Francophone business culture, how you greet someone tells them everything: your professionalism, your respect for their culture, and your readiness to do business in their world. And that is what Kofi failed to do. Hello, welcome to the French greetings, part two. All right, so today we want to continue with the part two, how to greet in French in a professional way. So today we want to continue with événement traditionnel. Okay, événement traditionnel. All right, that is the traditional event. So at the workplace, in a family, or wherever, okay, or you have a friend in a francophone country who has lost someone, okay, and then you want to say something to the person, okay, for the funeral, in French, you normally say mes condoléances, okay, mes condoléances. And then when it comes to marriage, okay, and then you also want to say something for a friend who is getting married, you also say félicitations pour votre mariage. Okay, félicitations pour votre mariage. Congratulations for your wedding. And then when a friend of you has a new baby, yes, that you want to wish that person, you could also say félicitations pour le bébé. Okay, that is the birth. Congratulations for the baby. Yes. Now, let us go and see some mistakes that you need to avoid, okay, when it comes to the French greetings. All right. So here are the mistakes. When it comes to the greetings such as bonjour, so as we said that in French, normally our greetings are two for the day, bonjour and then bonsoir. So here there are some people who normally reason that fine, I haven't seen you throughout the day. Okay, so even if I see you around 3, I'll still say bonjour. Okay, around 4, I will say bonjour. Around 5, I will say bonjour. But here we are saying that when it gets to the 18 hours, that is the 6 p.m., at least from that 6 p.m. going, then it is better today to say bonsoir, okay, instead of bonjour. And then secondly, second mistakes, okay, that you need to avoid is that when we say toi, okay, toi simply means you in English. So we are saying that in French, you cannot just the cultural, because of the cultural aspect, you cannot just use any word to anyone like that. No, you need to see the person who is in front of you. Which word can I use to the person? Okay, so instead of using toi in a professional way, okay, in a professional environment with clients and other people, okay, we normally use vous. Yeah, so you have instances that the vous can mean a group of people, that is you in the plural, okay, a group of people. But vous also can also use to show respect, okay, to someone, all right, especially when it is your first time to meet the person or someone who's older than you, or even in a professional environment, okay, it is better to use vous than the toi. So that is why when we were learning about the greetings, you could see we were using vous formal, vous formal. Exactly. So this is what Kofi should have known before going to Abidjan for the meeting, and he didn't know it, and he lost that deal. Now, important reminder, greetings are the first impression you make. By mastering French greetings, you demonstrate your professionalism and respect for your French-speaking counterpart. This is the foundation of any good business relationship. Yes. So greetings is very, very important in French. So if you think that you learn bonjour, bonsoir in school, so in a professional environment, you will go and use bonjour, bonsoir, then you will just disgrace yourself, like the way Kofi disgraced himself in the story. Okay. All right. Now, what you have said about the greetings, you have I've summarized this in a dialogue that is going to help us how we can put it in a professional way. All right. So this dialogue is about La Conférence ECOWAS at Kempinski Hotel. Yes. And Kempinski Hotel is in Accra here in Ghana. All right. And there is ECOWAS conference. Now let us see how the greetings and other things that you use, can be applied in this dialogue. And this is exactly what Kofi should have known before going to Abidjan for that deal. So here, nous avons organisateur ghanéen. Okay, that is the organizer. This, I am not going to translate it in English. All right. So if you think that you want to understand it, you can just go to Google Translate, all right, and then try to understand exactly what the dialogue is about. But anyway, it is about the greetings that we just learned. Bonjour et bienvenue à la conférence Télécom ECOWAS. Délégué ivoirien, that is Ivorian delegate. Bonjour, merci de nous recevoir au Ghana. Délégué sénégalais. Bonsoir, excusez mon retard. Comment allez-vous? Do you remember the comment allez-vous? Yes, that means how are you? So here is using it in this conference because it's a professional environment instead of comment ça va, comment vas-tu, the basic ones that you learned in school. Then organisateur says, bonsoir, pas de problème, nous allons très bien. Okay. Délégué Burkinabé, salut les collègues, content de vous revoir. Yes. So we're saying that the salute we normally use for friends, and the family members, and then colleagues, So here at the end of the day, they have met before and now they have become colleagues. They know each other, They have become friends. So now they are using salute, among themselves. And don't forget that from the beginning, they were rather using bonjour. All right. Now, délégué malien, salut, moi aussi. Comment s'est passé votre voyage? Exactly. So here, the délégué sénégalais also use votre, Also to show respect to other colleagues as well. Délégué togolais, très bien, merci. Et le vote? Délégué malien, excellent. Bonne soirée à tous. Bonne soirée, exactly. So this is what actually, the Kofi we mentioned earlier should have known, when you meet group of people, professionals, how to greet them and how to go about things. So this video can be saved. And at any time that you want to, refer to it, you can do so freely. And also, if you want this type of lessons, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much and see you for the next video.